Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing a clean girl makeup tutorial. First, we started off with priming our face. This is a basic prep on your skin before you start applying foundations and all of that stuff. So a good primer is something that would help you. I like to do this step with my bare hands because it helps me to apply it evenly. So next we go in with our foundation. This foundation, you want it to be in your exact skin shade. For the clean girl makeup look, you can go without using your foundation, but I wanted to use my foundation because I have a little hyperpigmentation on my face. So yes, that's why we need a foundation in our exact skin shade. So you blend it properly. Blending is the secret to achieving your clean girl makeup look. So next we go in with our concealer. We want to achieve a bright under eye in this makeup look. So yes, we go in with a bright concealer, and like I said before, you have to blend. Blending properly is what will give you that clean girl makeup look. It's going to make your makeup look like your skin. So this concealer, we want to blend upwards. You see, I was directing my hands upward. I was telling you, you have to blend upward. So you see, I didn't apply it on the bridge of my nose. So whatever is remaining on my beauty blender from blending every other place that I put my concealer is what I'm going to use to give my nose structure. So yes, you can see that I applied that down the bridge of my nose just because I need a little structure. We want it to look like skin. This makeup look is to look like we didn't do anything to achieve a clean face, to achieve a flawless face. So you see what I did to my nose. So don't get tired of blending. That's the thing in makeup. No matter how many products you apply, just keep blending it. Blend it well so it looks flawless, so it looks like a canvas that is well painted on. Apply your skills, your blending skills in this one. So go over it and blend well. If at any point you notice that your makeup product is dry, that's where your fixing spray, your fix spray comes in. So you just do a few pumps of that, and then it will loosen up the product on your face, and then you can have more control over the product while blending. So this is what I did. I applied my fix spray when I noticed my concealer was a bit dry, especially on my forehead area. So yes, I was able to blend that out evenly. So after much blending, now is the time to apply your powdery product, a powder in your exact skin shade, just to cool off all the creaminess on your face. As you can see, we are looking dewy, we are looking creamy and all of that. So now is the time to apply powder, especially on all the places we applied our foundation. This powder will give you a very smooth finish to your makeup. It is going to give you a smooth finish, especially when the powder is in your skin shade. So you see, all the places I applied my concealers, all the places I applied my foundation, I'm using a powder in that skin shade. So I use a lighter powder to bake like slightly bake my under eye, so that my concealers will not move, so they won't go anywhere, so they won't break or crease and all of that. So yes, I'm not a professional, so that's why I'm not using all those their terminologies. So yeah, I'm just doing what I understand and what seems cool to me, what seems lovely to me. So yes, I am going to powder down my face, all the places I applied my foundation. You remember, our goal is to achieve a clean girl makeup look, not those glamorous makeup look. This is just to, for meetings, for corporate outings, just something to not look too ordinary. Yeah, just something to give you an edge in your looks, add the spice to your looks. So this is what we are trying to achieve. So we still have a lot of blending to do. While applying the product, we need to blend so that the base we started with, the foundation we started with, blended well. So now we don't stop, we keep blending the powder product, and then now we move to our blush. This is my second favorite part of makeup. I am using 2 shades of blush. You can see they are pink and purple, so I love that combination. I have them on my palette, and I just desired to use it that way. So yes, you see, just a little goes a long way. So I do it on my cheekbone towards my eyes, upward, I can't overemphasize the usefulness of this fix spray. It makes your makeup look like skin. It makes it look natural. It makes your skin absorb those products, especially when you've done a good prepping to your makeup. So yeah. Now we touch up with our powder lightly, then we go over with our mascara, because your powder might have coated your lashes, it might have turned your lashes brown. So yeah, you need to apply your mascara to just make your lashes pop. You have to be careful with this step so you don't stain your makeup, because it can be hard to take it off. Now here's my favorite part of doing makeup, my lips. So yeah, we take our brown pencil to line our lips to give us that very lovely lined lip look. Can you see how lovely it looks? So yes, we use a brown pencil, not black, brown pencil to line it. So you do it lightly and to suit whatever look you're going for. So I love this lip combo. I can just put my clear gloss over this and I'm good to go, because I have a naturally colored lips. I have a naturally pink lips. So yeah, we can do that, but then you're going to see how I'm going to do this. So I use a nude lip stain. Yes, I wanted to say lipstick, but it's a nude lip stain. Can you see how beautiful? So you smudge your lips together, you smack your lips together to blend it well. Some people use brush to do this stage, but I love smacking my lips together. Yeah, so if I get sweaty, I just go over my brush, and here I don't stress myself for any eyebrow. And here we have it. Clean girl look. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Is this something you would love to do? Is this something you would love to achieve? Yeah, so we just, voila, we are looking good.